Hello, and welcome back to Quantum Elitist. I'm Elliott, and if you're here, you're not just a listener, you're a quantum architect, a being who understands that awareness doesn't just reflect reality, it creates it. Today, we're diving into the observer effect, a principle from quantum mechanics that literally confirms the power of consciousness. In basic terms, when something is observed, it changes. Not metaphorically, physically. In a double-slit experiment, electrons behave like waves when unobserved. But the moment a conscious observer measures or records them, they behave like particles, choosing a single path. This suggests that the act of watching collapses infinite potential into a single outcome. Now let's zoom out. If the universe is made of the same particles, and your thoughts carry energy, then watching your thoughts becomes a creative act. You are not just experiencing life, you are shaping it. Neville Goddard said, "Your assumption, though false, if persisted in, will harden into fact." What is assumption but focused attention? When you begin to observe the stories you tell yourself, the inner narratives, you reclaim power. You shift from being a victim of old programming to a deliberate observer who chooses what stays and what dissolves. The observer effect reminds us, you are never stuck. The moment you look at something differently, it becomes something else. Joe Dispenza teaches this through meditation. By sitting in silence and becoming aware of your thoughts, without judgment, you elevate your brain into a state of coherence. Your body no longer reacts based on past pain. It begins to respond to the new signal you're observing and intending. Scripture says, "Be still and know that I am God." That stillness isn't laziness. It's observation without interference. When you observe your fear, it shrinks. When you observe your desire with love, not desperation, it becomes magnetized. Reality isn't solid. It's liquid potential, waiting for your consciousness to define its shape. So what should you do with this knowledge? Begin a daily ritual of observation. Set a timer, breathe deeply, and observe your thoughts, not to change them, but to witness them. Let the light of your awareness cleanse and transform them. You're not just watching thoughts. You're rearranging matter. You are the observer. You are the influencer. You are the channel between the formless and the formed. Subscribe to Quantum Elitist, and remember, you're not waiting for change. You are the change.